Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the Simons Stamp October card kit. Well, I know it took me almost a month to film this video. I did get my card kit a little late and it was almost towards the middle of October, and by that time I was really busy with my Halloween projects. But here I am unboxing this beautiful card kit for you guys. Well, this kit is sold out, but the individual products are still available for purchase and I will leave a link to those in the description box below. The Simon System card kit is called Sunflower and Daisies kit. It is packed with some fun floral supplies. Like all our previous kits, this one is too packed with a lot of fun and adorable surprises. All of the products in this kit are hand selected coordinating supplies. We have stamps, embossing folders, and this time we have coordinating stencils, all of which are enough to keep you busy for a really long time. Before we get into the unboxing, I would love for you to take a minute to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. Stay tuned for some fun colorful cards that I have created using this kit in my future videos. Let's take a look at the Sunflowers and Daisies October 2022 card kit by Simons Stamp. Well, the first thing I see here is this new black mesh bag. It's a huge 10 by 12.5 inch bag, perfect to store all of your crafty supplies. I love the quality of these bags. They are very sturdy and this will fit all the contents of our kit today. These come in a rainbow of colors. I will leave a link down in the description box below where you can find individual bags. Also, link for those zipper bag bundles. Inside every kit is an inspiration sheet where you will find 6 designs. Well, I will also share a link to the Simons Stamp Card Kit Gallery where you will find wonderful designs by some amazingly creative designers and card makers. Included in the kit are these two positively saturated ink pads by Simons Stamp in the shades CITRINE and PEARFECTION. These are full-size ink pads. The positively saturated inks are dye inks which I have been using for almost all of my coloring techniques, be it stamping, ink blending, or using it on embossing folders with stencils or even for watercoloring. I love these ink pads. They have this raised foam pad surface which makes my work so much more easier. Along with the ink pads, we also have a mini blending brush by Simons Stamp. These are strong brushes with soft bristles which holds up a lot of ink. It makes ink blending a lot more smoother. The brush head measures approximately 0.5 by 1 inch and is perfect for ink blending on stencils with smaller images. The brush will also come with a hard plastic lid to secure the bristles when you are crafting while traveling. And it's also easy to store these brushes safely. Moving on, I have this bag of 20 tags by Hampton Arts. These tags come with a roll of twine which would be perfect for your upcoming holiday season. These are high quality tags measuring 4 1/4 by 2 inches. The holes are already punched in on them, so all you have to do is stamp an image or write your message and your tags will be ready to go. I have a project where I have used these tags on card fronts. I love having products which I can repurpose for so many different uses. Next, we have these two mini slimline envelopes. I have black linen and cream envelope. These measure 3.5 by 6.5 inches and have a side flap closure as opposed to a V flap with a self-sealing adhesive strip. I like that the black linen envelope has some kind of texture over it rather than just being a plain envelope. Next, I have this bag of 2 yards jute rope. These are of 5 millimeter thickness. Well, for cards, this will add a lot of texture and dimension. I still have to figure out how I will be using them in my projects. Well, follow my Instagram page to see an update there. I will leave a link to that down in the description box below. Now for my favorite part, the embossing folder. I love using embossing folders on my card projects. They are such a versatile product. A simple embossing folder, a background on a colored cardstock, or well, even on a white cardstock paired with a sentiment would create some amazing and beautiful card fronts. Well, this is the new Simon Says Stamp Fresh Daisies embossing folder. It measures 4.5 by 6.5 inches, fitting A2 size cards and slightly larger. This folder has separate coordinating dies, so when you're finished running it through your die cutting machine, you can also cut out some flowers using your machine. When the coordinating die is not sold with the kit, it can be bought separately. I will leave a link to that in the description box below. Next, we have this huge 6 by 8 stamp set by Simon Says Stamp. It's called Sunflower Fields. I love the beautiful floral arrangements on this stamp set. We have a huge bouquet of sunflowers which can cover an entire background. We also have a single floral arrangement which could stand alone as focal points. And well, take a look at those beautiful fonts on your sentiments. We have Sending Sunshine, Missing You, Forever My Friend, Thinking of You, Get Well Soon, Hello, and Autumn Blessings. Well, something new that is included in this card kit is the 6 by 6 inch sunflower fields layering stencils. These stencils coordinate perfectly with the sunflower fields stamp set. The fun part about using layering stencils is that it makes coloring so much more easy and saves so much of my time. I have 4 stencils here, each with different layers of that huge floral design that we see on the stamp set. The intricate detailing on the stencil is perfect to add colors even to the tiniest part of the floral arrangement. I plan on using this for my next project. And well, at the end of the video, I will also share a glimpse of the card that I have created using both the stamp set and the layering stencil. Moving on, last but not the least, I have some beautiful cardstocks. I have 100-pound ivory, burnt orange, sunshine, and green leaf cardstock by Simon Says Stamp. Here's a look at all the products that are part of the Simon Says Stamp Sunflower and Daisies October 2022 card kit. Well, the kit is sold out, but all of these products can be bought individually. I will leave a link to all the products that you saw in today's video in the description box below. Stay tuned to my channel as I will be uploading a lot of fun projects that I create using this card kit very soon. Here's a glimpse of a project where I created 2 cards using the one big floral stamp set and the coordinating layering stencil. I would love for you to become a subscriber to my channel, and if you do subscribe or are already a subscriber, please make sure to hit that bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post. Hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below if you have any ideas or suggestions. Also, if you'd like to share your creations, please tag me on my Instagram at rp_shutterbug. There's a link to that in the description box below. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.